You have a new home care agency, but you have no clients. What do? Well, here's 3 things you can do. The first thing to do is go out and hustle. What is hustle? You have to hustle 10 times more than someone that's already in business. Our sweet spot or our perfect clients is usually an agency that is doing roughly around $1 million to $3 million. But we have people come to us every week looking for help because they're just starting out. We give them free advice. We know that if we do this, they'll come back to us at some point in the future. So go out and hustle, meet as many people as you can in your community. You have to go out and meet doctors. You have to go into urgent care. Anyone that would possibly give you a referral to help a senior in their home, go out and meet these people. The second thing you can do is you can join some groups, maybe B&I or some other community groups, so people, again, know who you are. And the third thing is join social media. We recommend LinkedIn because on LinkedIn is where professionals exist. Maybe do some videos and talk to people about your new business and what you're gonna do. That's the 3 things that you can do. We know that when you're starting out, you do not have a budget to hire a professional digital marketing company, but we also believe in educating, helping those get to the point we can offer our services. Hope this helps. Have a great day.